you do? What are you doing? Can you call for Mama? And if you cough, we're going to take you to the doctor, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, can you do another one to do? Got any more in there? What are you doing?